Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new. As you can tell, I have a special guest, my mommy, and I'm gonna be doing her hair. We just finished blow drying, so she washed, conditioned, we blow dry, all that good stuff. And now what we're gonna do is bantu knots to create those loose waves. I'm gonna put a card up here so you guys can check out the video I did on my hair when I blow dried it and did the bantu knots to create loose waves. But now I want to show y'all what it looks like on someone else's hair. I don't think her curls are as tight as mine, but yeah, what you think, Mom? Your curls as tight as mine? I think yours might be a little bit looser than mine. But anyway, I want y'all to be able to see how the style looks on somebody else's head other than mine. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that, and I'll just let y'all watch. I'm not gonna be talking through this video. Just let y'all watch it, and then we'll be back at the end to show y'all the results. So it's the next day, and we are about to reveal these bantu knots. I have high hopes, and yeah, they've been in for a day. What time is this? It's the evening time, so Mom has kept her bantu knots in all day, and we're gonna go ahead and take them out and show you guys what they look like.
My God.
We haven't separated yet. I just took them down.
Oh my goodness.
Okay guys, so as y'all saw, these are the results of doing my mommy's bantu knot on blow dry hair, and it looks really cute. All I did was this way. All I did was add a flat twist here and just kind of pinned it up to give her a little style. And yeah, she'll just wear it like this for a few days. It'll get bigger as the days go by. And so these are the results of bantu knots on blow dry hair. And what do you think? She loves it. So that's the end of this video, you guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me comments down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that bell to be notified each and every time I go post a new video, and follow me on Instagram, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.